Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster clasp, full guide. Begin by gathering pliers, wire cutters, solder source, and suitable wire like 20-gauge sterling. I will walk you through shaping the body, forming the spring mechanism, and finishing the surface for durability. Expect tips on measuring, soldering clean joints, and testing action to ensure smooth opening and closing. Follow each step slowly and practice on scrap wire first. In this video, I will explain how to make lobster clasp, full guide. Start by selecting metal and gauge, then cut pieces for body, hinge, and spring. I will describe prepping surfaces, annealing where needed, and measuring tolerances so parts fit snugly. You will learn how to shape the shell, create a secure hinge pin, and set the spring for consistent tension. Practice adjustments and polishing for professional results. In this video, I will help how to make lobster clasp, full guide. I will guide you through making the shell, cutting the channel, and installing the spring so the clasp opens and closes cleanly. You will get instructions for aligning parts, testing action, and making fine adjustments for tension and fit. I will also cover quick polishing tricks and common fixes when the mechanism binds or feels too stiff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.